Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, March 5th. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1 is easy. What is your name? Very good. And number 2? Very good. Say, said, said. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. His name is Mark. His name is Mark. Name. A word that we use to identify a person. What is your name? Now we can make a card for name and remember it forever. Please write name up here in the top left corner. N-A-M-E. Down here the code. N1V2. N1 means noun, level 1. Over here the number 110 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. Yes, like ABC. A, name. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. What did he say to you? What did he say to you? Say. What words came out of his mouth? And now we have to answer. What is the past tense of say? He said hello. This is an irregular verb, similar to go, went, gone. Say, said, said. Please write that on your card. And please write the basic form, to say something to somebody. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, to say something. Down here in the bottom left corner, IV1. This means irregular verb, level 1. And over here the number 25 out of 40. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Say, said, said. Game over. That was fun. You did really well today. Today we learned name and say, said, said. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is something you do to help somebody. Favor. Very good, with an R. Number 2, can you say it? Very good. Slacker. This is a person that doesn't work very hard. And number 3, is it A or E? A, very good, to marry somebody. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.